Hello, my name is Edward. My wife Janice and I live in San Jose, California. We live in the suburbs, more than a mile away from any wilderness, but we have been able to create our own little backyard paradise using plants, water features, shade, and birdseed feeders, with hummingbird feeders as well. During the last drought, we tore out our lawn to replace it with flowering plants that attract insects and birds. We also planted native trees like manzanita, toyon, hollyleaf cherry, and ceanothus, aka California lilac. Bumblebees and honeybees love the manzanita flowers, as do hummingbirds. A diversity of beetles and bees, flies, and wasps visit the toyon flowers, and toyon berries attract birds like hermit thrushes, robins, cedar waxwings, purple finches. Hollyleaf cherry flowers also attract a wide variety of insects like bees and flies and beetles, and their fruit attract birds like finches, jays, and crows. We also planted a lot of flowering plants, some with flat-top flowers like asters and lantanas to attract bees and butterflies, and some with tubular flowers like California fuchsia and sage. They attract hummingbirds and native bees like bumblebees. They come in a variety of colors, so they also beautify the yard. When we got this house, we inherited an old hot tub that we converted into a fish pond, and we planted irises and sedge in the pond. We put mosquito fish in the pond and some turtles. The pond attracts native aquatic insects like dragonflies, damselflies, and water striders, so that's a lot of fun. Birds also need the water, but for them we also added 3 bird baths and a water fountain. The sparrows and finches use the baths. The hummingbirds come to the fountain to drink. Doves, phoebes, crows, jays, and even a hawk will come to bathe. Hummingbird feeders, we've got 4 of those, and at times we have 8 or 10, even more hummingbirds in the backyard. We love going into our garden and having hummingbirds boldly flying next to us while bees and butterflies zip by. And where the sun's too hot, we've created shade using arbors, umbrellas, and awnings. This shade allows us to spend more time in the garden with nature. We're always finding new species of wildlife, and we'll keep adding plants to attract more.